Well, howdy everybody, it's your old pal Kentucky Ranger. I've got some exciting news here. In the mail I got the new GPU and thanks to the discount direct from EVGA, I didn't get the 1060 card. I got, drum roll, the 1070 card. Bigger, better, badder. Oops, studio light. Anyhow, some of you are scratching your heads wondering, okay, what's a GPU? Take a drink here. I is going to show you what a GPU slash video card is. And then once we unbox it, yeah, I'm doing an unboxing. Anyhow, it's a pretty shiny box. But it's a box. It's what's in the box that counts. What's in the box? I can't show that clip because it is extremely copyright protected. So without further ado, not Mountain Dew, but a Dew. Oh, let's see what we got here. Paperwork. Paperwork, what is that? Oh, I guess this is a poster. Oh, this is a big old poster. I'll have to take a picture of it and show you. Yeah, it's a big old poster. Ah, crap. Anyhow, that's a poster. And stickers. Got some stickers. EVGA enthusiast build. My old monster rig, I was part of that deal. That was a pretty cool computer. That was a long time ago. I like these stickers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I got stickers. Yay! Let's see what else we got here. We got the manual. Oh wow, discs. I guess that's the drivers. What is that? Display driver installation. Oh, okay. Well, anyway, I can't believe they have discs because drivers get updated so frequently. First thing you do is go to EVGA's website and download the latest drivers because I'm sure they're already behind. Peace of Mind Gaming. What is this? Classified dark VGA case. I don't know. Complete control of your system. Oh, that's the EVGA control software. And another, oh, quick install guide. Oh, ain't that cool? Anyhow, yeah, once I get this all unboxed and out of here and show you guys what's going on, we'll get into the how to install a video card. So some of you might be wondering just how hard it is to install one. It really isn't that hard. One thing you want to do before you handle a video card, I'll touch the case here to make sure you don't have any static electricity built up in your hands. Ain't that pretty? Man, I got the wide angle lens on this thing and it's still, God, this thing must weigh 5 pounds. Anyhow, there she is with all of her pack and tape glory, or whatever kind of tape you call it, protective tape. Yeah, let's take the tape off. Way we can see what it looks like for reals. It's a pretty card. It's a shame my case, I don't have a window or anything in it, so once I get this installed, It shall never be seen again. Let's see, I'm sure there's tape on that too. Oh, come out of there. Oh, come on. Protect the tape's gonna cause me to scratch it. There we go. Oh, that satisfying feel of peeling away the protective tape from a brand new thingamajigger. Okay, what we got here? Well, that's the card, and it's upside down. There we go. EVGA GTX 1070. This is a GPU. There are many GPUs, but this is my GPU. Anyhow, here's a little port. Oh, that's cool. It's got little dust covers for each little port. Huh. That's where you hook your monitor up. I like that. Oh, it's even got a little cover for to protect where you plug it in. That's where it plugs into the motherboard. Ain't that cool? Anyhow, that's a GPU, and it's 1070 instead of the 1060, so it's a bigger step up. I got it for right about the same amount of money I was going to have to spend on the 1060, and it's quite a lot. Even though it's just one step up, it's quite a big step. Look at that. That's aluminum. I guess it's like a heat spreader. It's ventilated. It's pretty cool. Oh, and there's the that's where you plug in the SLI. So you can, if you have a SLI capable motherboard, you can actually run 2 of these. You actually run 3 or 4, or I don't know how many. You could probably run, I think the newer software, what was it max out at? 4? Maybe, I think. I don't know. I've been out of the loop for a long time. But anyhow, this is the card. And when you see me again, I will be installing it into the computer so you can see what it looks like. It really isn't that, it might look intimidating, but it's not that hard to do. So anyhow, let's go over there to the computer case. Okay, here we are. This is going to be a little rough here, but what we're going to do, first of all, the power, the computer's turned off. You want to, like I say, de-static yourself so you touch the frame because it's grounded. Then what you want to do to make sure all the power is gone out of the system is unplug the power supply. Then what you want to do is wherever the power button is on your computer, mine's up on the top here, and you'll see there's still energy in the motherboard. You want to get all that energy out. So you tap the power button and hold it. That releases all that energy out of the capacitors and various components on the motherboard. So there's absolutely no power. And then you want to remove this holding screw for the peripherals, which that's what the video card is a peripheral. Get around here. I'm kind of cluttered here. Okay, get that screw out of there. Now there. Where'd it go? Rogue screw. Where did my screw go? There it is. Okay, now once you take the there you go. Take this little backing plate. What that does is that holds whatever peripherals you have installed. Then you want to unplug the monitor from the video card. you unplug it from the motherboard, it has to be unplugged. You don't want to unplug the power supply. Oh crap, sorry. Bumping you all around here. Push the little release pins. There we go. Remove the power. We want to get all of these cables, all this cabling away, so that when it comes out it don't tangle on anything. Take with me. Let's see here. Okay, I've got everything come out of there. Kind of got everything mushed in here so it's all tucked away. I forgot I had sticky tape on that. Anyhow, let's get all of this out of the way. That's something I'm kind of anal about as cable management. I like to keep it nice and neat. Okay. Now on the on this slot, there's me and my blind, me and my eyes. I swear. There's a little release. Let me see if I can get in there without bumping the camera again. Nope, don't bump the camera. Sorry, y'all. So what you want to do is wiggle this thing loose there. See, it just comes out. No, nothing strange about it or anything. Of course, this case, it's kind of a tight fit in here. Break the shielding come loose. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, there we go. Anyhow, this is the old card. You can see I keep things clean. It's a 970. It's not a bad card. It's really served its purpose well, but it's a little outdated, you know. But anyhow, that's the old video card. Time for the new video card. Let me lay this down. And you kind of see this, the new one. Let me see if I can get this in here. The new one, it's a little bit bigger. It's not a whole lot physically bigger. Yeah, a little bit, not much. But anyhow, everything's looking good there. So let's take this off. Protective cover. Take that off. Don't touch this stuff, because the second it gets oil from your skin, from your fingers, it'll start to tarnish, and that's not a good thing. And camera, okay, stop bumping. Slip this in. Now let's slip this on in here. It's giving me issues. So I'm going to unplug that drive there. Give me a little more room to put this in. There we go. That's a little better. There we go. Okay, now. Ease that in. Get it lined up. stupid camera. Okay, there we go. Steady camera, steady. Okay, there we go. I got that in there. And our shielding's still in place. And looking good. Yeah, the card's a little bit longer, isn't it? Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. Everything looks like it's fitting in there real nice. So let's put our retainer back. Get our slip around the camera. Quit bumping it. Get this put back in. There we go. Everything fits back in. Stand still, camera. Steady, boy, steady. Okay. Eyes ain't as good as they used to be. There we go. Put that back in. That's all secure. What's funny is it's a bigger card, but because it's more efficient power-wise, it only needs one 6-pin plug. It don't need two. So these are all it does need the +2. I'm sorry. Bear with me. Guess this is an 8-pin. Sorry. Or what I guess they call a 6+2. Let's see if I can get in here. Oh, I hate these stupid modular plugs, the way they wangle this extra plug in here. You'd think they'd make it there. It's got to fit just right. And then my goofy eyes. Oh, I need LASIK surgery. Let's see, get in there. They have super glue. That way it ain't gonna move. There we go. There. Hold that for a second. Nice and neat. Now let me get this drive plug back in. old to be young again, where I can see. In my stupid eyes. There we go. There we go. Okay, double check our connections here. I'm not going to show y'all me finishing all this up, because what we're going to do now is just double check everything's in place. All the power connectors are in. I haven't pulled anything out. Okay. Now, let's plug the card in. Here, the monitor. Let's put the power back on. Sign. I think this lights up. Let me see. Okay, cross your fingers. Here we go. Y'all ready? Oops. Will it post? It's kind of got LEDs. Ooh, I see something. It's posting. As you can see. Yay, it's posting, it's working. The LEDs look a little weird. Let me unplug the light here. It's kind of... Well, it's working. Oh no, it don't look too bad. Let me see if we turn that off. Yeah, it glows. I ain't quite sure why. Oh, well, I guess if you had, like I said, if you had a light up case. I don't know. Turn the light back on. The important thing is it works. It's posting. Now I'm gonna have to update the drivers and all that stuff, and I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. And that's how easy it is. It's really not that hard. Like I say, main thing is ground yourself. I have a grounding strap, but as long as you, like I say, you ground yourself before you start messing with these kind of things, you'll be okay, because the case itself is shielded pretty much. And if you were handling something like a CPU, something like that, you definitely want to have a grounding strap. Let's see if I got that sitting here. Of all the work that I do, you got to see the junk drawer. Here it is. Yeah. Okay, get this in the camera view. And what you do with this is you hook it up to something that's grounded, like the chassis. And then this strap goes around your wrist, and you see that metal, it grounds you, keeps you grounded. Anyhow, that's what you do with sensitive electronics. I didn't so anyhow, I hope y'all like seeing this, like seeing how you do this stuff. Like I said, I'm gonna clean all this up. I might show, well, I ain't gonna show you. It'll just all be cleaned up. But anyhow, now I want to download some drivers and get to doing a little more efficient job of editing Mondays with Mom. I really appreciate everybody who donated, and at the end of this video you're going to see the new Mondays with Mom trailer. So God bless everybody, and for everyone who contributed, God bless you, appreciate it. Thanks to you, Mondays with Mom is going to continue. So God bless, take care everybody. We'll see you on the next Mondays with Mom. Bye. Well, here we are, y'all. I'm going to do some benchmarking here. As you can see, this is a project with all the photographs and the different timelines it has to render. This is the end credits, and it's only 59 seconds long, so yeah, you can see all the different timelines that's going to get combined to make the video. And we're going to see what the old video card, how long it takes to render this. As you can see here, I can't click the button. I can't use the enhancements to speed things up. So let's just go ahead and start this and see what happens. So here, well, yeah. First of all, let me show you. Here's what the settings I've got. It's 1080p. I'm doing 60 frames a second, and then the audio, I've got it set pretty high because audio is important to a good video. So anyhow, those are the settings. Let's just get started here. Here we go. This is probably going to take a little while, depending on how long it takes. I'll probably have to speed this up. So anyhow, we'll sit here and see. We'll see how long it takes. So I'm gonna sit here and twiddle my thumbs, I guess, while the music plays in the background. All right, that took forever in a day. And remember, it was a 59-second clip. It took what, 16 minutes. Now you can see the frustration that I've been suffering, because you take a 30-minute or 40-minute video, and you can see it 8, 9, 12 hours. Just to get it ready, just to render it after working on it for hours, then spending hours waiting for it to render. So without further ado, let's see what the new video card will do. Okay, so remember, what was it, 16 minutes and 2 seconds for a 1-minute clip. So let's transition to the new video card. Let's see what happens with the new GPU. Alrighty, now we're going to see what this does. You see, same project, same timelines. Haven't done any switching or nothing. It's the exact same 59-second clip. And but now if you watch. So I got the same settings, but down here, guess what? Look what's available now. Yeah, hardware acceleration. So let's see how fast this goes now. And off to the races. Let's see if I have to speed this one up or not. I don't want to. Oh wow! Good Lord, look at this thing. Now I don't think I'm going to have to do any time lapse on this one. Let's see how long this takes. This ain't going to take hardly at all. I don't even know if I want to put a timer up. Now you can see the difference. The difference in the GPUs. First of all, I guess because it's a newer GPU, system recognized it and is utilizing the hardware to speed things up. where the old video card, the old GPU, apparently, I don't know how this program reads that kind of stuff, but apparently it didn't think it was there, or it didn't think it was enough to do anything with. I'm not real sure how all that works, but man, look at this. Wow. This is unbelievable. Good Lord. I mean, we're already, wow. Okay, I think you all can see the difference between the 970, the GPU I had in there before, and this one. I mean, this is blazing. Lord, could you imagine? What's the one up above it? 1080, or what they got now, like the 2070 or something like that. Good Lord, how fast that would be. But man, look at this. It's almost done. I don't even have, I'm not going to even throw a timer or anything. Wow. This is amazing. So there you go, right at 3 minutes. Done. Bam. Anyhow, I'm not going to bore you guys. You can see why. I mean, this is amazing. Anyhow, God bless y'all. And now for the new end credits. God bless y'all. Appreciate all the help and support.